My Bank's The Money House programme is proud to celebrate its 10th year. The Money House is My Bank's youth homelessness prevention programme for 16 to 25-year-olds moving into independent living. Participants gain practical, financial and digital skills to help them pay their rent on time, keep up with bills and budget their living costs. We explain how they can make informed choices about their future and teach them about how to best manage their money. The programme is open to all young adults, but it's targeted at those in vulnerable circumstances, such as young people leaving the UK care system. Over the last 10 years, we've expanded the project all across the UK, growing from 1 site in 2013 to 6 sites in 2023. We now have 4 houses in London and recently opened 2 sites in Birmingham and Glasgow, with a 7th on the way in Manchester. To date, the project has helped over 2,200 young people transition into independent living, manage their money and avoid homelessness. One of our greatest achievements was winning the London Homelessness Award in 2021, which we are extremely proud of. A huge thank you to our corporate partners and our referral organisations. We couldn't have done it without you, and we can't wait to continue expanding the project this year.